The ingredients is spaghetti, water. Enter the spaghetti seasoning like cheese bolognese seasoning, hot crunchy onion, dried vegetables, and oil. And cheese. The equipment is pan, bowl, fork, and sieve. Step 1. Add 500 ml of water to the pan. Step 2. Turn on the stove to boil the water. Step 3. After boiling, add dried vegetables to the pan. Step 4. After that, put the spaghetti to the pan. Step 5. Add the fork seasoning to the bowl. Step 6. After that, stir the spaghetti. Step 7. Then, remove the spaghetti and dried vegetables from water and drain. Step 8. Then, pour the spaghetti into the bowl and stir until evenly distributed until all the spices have been mixed. Step 9. Add some cheese if that's what you want. And done, the spaghetti is ready to serve. Enjoy! Thank you very much for watching this video, and please forgive me if I had some mistake in my video. I hope everyone enjoyed. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.